In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the map sensor on this Dodge Durango. Let's get into it. Take the oil cap off, just twist. Grab the cover underneath and you want to pop it up. It's just held in with grommets. Slide it up. I'm just going to put the oil cap back on just so nothing falls in there. I'm going to disconnect the connector here. Using a pick, there's a little lock. I'm just going to push that back. And we can disconnect the connector, push down on the tab, and slide that off, just like that. Now just grab the sensor. There is a little tab right here. You want to twist it to the left, and the sensor pulls right up. I'm going to have to rock it back and forth a little bit, and it slides right out. Take the map sensor and you want to slide this in position just like this. Just rotate it down a little bit. And as you turn it to the side, it's going to pull itself down a little bit. Take the connector, line it up, lock it in place, and then push down on that lock. Remove the oil cap. Put the engine cover on. Slide it in position. Then just push it down. There's rubber grommets that are going to hold that in place. Put the oil cap on. Twist it down.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.